Hi, my name is Tim O'Keefe. I am the product line manager for Sunbelt Rentals, Shoring Solutions. And I'm here today to talk about the reel rig we have made for us by RG Group. This project came about because we had a need to straighten our piling sheets. We had an existing machine in the fleet already, however, that was being overworked, and we wanted to add another second one to our fleet to help us with our production. We actually didn't know where to source these things from. We had a supplier in the past that was no longer in business, and luckily for us, RG came about. They had contacts in the allied businesses that knew the base machine, how to find them, and how to retrofit them to be used for our purpose. So how the project unfolded, we had obviously preliminary meetings. RG brought down their contacts that knew the machines, the type of machine that we wanted to use, a specialised piece of machinery, but they were able to find a used unit that they were able to retrofit and to our standards, to our requirements, plus add in lots of the modern safety features you'd find nowadays in such machinery.
My name is Joseph Jones. I've been in the Sunbelt world for 11 years now, originated from Maybe. Started as a mechanic, moved on to a yard role, and now I am an assistant manager here. The re-roll machine behind us has saved us a lot of tons of money on keeping stock well maintained. One of the good aspects that they came up with is this hand remote right here. The older one machine that we had a touchscreen where you had to be physically against the machine. This is a lot more safer. You don't have to be in the position between the operators operating the machine. You kind of can be away in a safe distance. So RG did a great job with the safety aspect on it, as well as some of the safety lights on the machine. It tells it when it's down or it's up. It gives you a warning signal with red meaning damage and green meaning go. It's low maintenance, it's grease filled. Don't have to deal with all that gear oil from the other machine. Couple little pumps of grease in the back, and she's ready to go.
They got together with a few of their suppliers. Okay, we found the machine. They managed to do the hydraulics for it. Their contacts did all the mechanicals. They added the hydraulics to make the machine work properly, and able to use existing machines in our fleet to actually as a power supply for it. So their expertise for hydraulics and the other company's expertise for mechanicals brought together the machine in its entirety. So our experience with RG was positive. We had a machine that was designed to spec. They included us in all aspects of the project. They gave us full sets of plans. Everything on the machine that needs to be replaced is off the shelf. Nothing was bespoke made there. So we can go to any supplier for those spare parts and to fix anything that might need fixing in the years to come. You know, we've got a machine there that's built over that's not only rated for our sheets, but anything beyond that as well. So we've got a very powerful machine here that we can use for at least 50 to 20 years in our estimation.